I just want someone to defeat Anseang. I know defeating Anseang is a tough fight, okay, but I just want someone, even Bongzi, Jennifer, or anyone to do at least a third set against Anseang in this World Championships 2025. So let's just start the prediction. Who is going to win 2025? Let's just start with mixed doubles. I really think that Feng Huang has a huge chance. They are winning World Championships gold, okay, they are winning. There are no other pair who can come even close to Feng Huang to defeat them. Second, I think I will say that in silver, of course, silver too. I just think that Jiang and Wei from China, they will dominate. They are going to win. There are no other pair who can even, I will say that, come near Chinese pair. I have always discussed about this thing that women's doubles in men's doubles there are other players and other competitors, but right now mixed doubles and women's doubles is just dominated by, I will say, the Chinese player. And I will say that Feng Huang and Jiang Wei will be in the finals, and there are 110% chances that Feng Huang will defeat Jiang Wei because Jiang Wei are lacking in attack, and at the same time Feng and Huang, both players have enough of experience to defeat Jiang Wei. Let's talk about women's doubles. Liu Tan versus Pearl Tan will be gold medal finals, but there is one pair who can come between Liu Tan and they can defeat them. They have the capability, and you will ask me that who can beat Liu Tan? Liu Tan are world number one. They are winners. They are performing continuously. Who is that one pair who can beat Liu Tan? And that pair is Jia Zhang. As I have discussed about that in my last video too, Jia and Zhang are one of the top rated players from last 2 to 3 months. I'm just happy to see Zhang's performance. I'm just happy that how she's performing, how she's observing her opponents, like Jia Chen and Jia. Like Jia has so many experiences of finals. I will say that gold medals, world tour, and everything. Jia has so much of experience, but there comes Zhang, who has, I will say that, not that level of experience as compared to Jia, but still whenever she's performing, she is giving her 10,000%, and she's even winning the rally. She's doing everything correct. But I will say that after next month they are just splitting up again, and they will be again, Chen Jia will be together again. But I'm just really hoping that the match between Liu Tan and Jia Zhang will be top rated match, and quarter final match between Liu Tan and Jia Zhang will be the top rated match of the tournament. Please watch out for that match. I will just recommend you that whenever quarter final will be happening, please watch this match because there are huge chances that Jia Zhang can defeat Liu Tan, and if possible, if Liu Tan gets defeated or Jia Zhang gets defeated, there are huge chances that Pearl and Thinna will be in finals. Let me just give you one spoiler. If Liu Tan will be in finals against Pearl and Thinna, there are chances, even though I want to go with Pearl and Thinna, but still, if Liu Tan will be in finals, that mind games and everything, Pearl and Thinna will lose and get silver. But Liu Tan will win gold for sure. But for an example, just imagine Jia Zhang defeats Liu Tan and Jia Zhang goes to finals, and I will literally say that Pearl and Thinna, just write down my words, Pearl and Thinna win will gold if Jia Zhang will be their opponents. And I'm just really hoping that Liu Tan gets defeated in quarterfinals. Let's talk about men's doubles, and this men's double is tough to, I will say that, predict. There are multiple players, multiple pairs who can win, but one pair, I will say that 110%, not 110%, 95% confirm are Kim Seo. Last to last year, Kang Seo won, as I discussed in my previous video too, that Kang Seo won gold medals defeating Esther Rasmussen. But this time Kim Seo are just, I will say that, unstoppable. Last 1 or 2 months, they are into their top rated prime. They are proving everyone that Korea is here to perform, and they are here to perform at every single level. They are here to win a gold medal again for their country, Korea. Kim Seo, I will say that 80 to 90% it's confirmed that they will be in finals. But who will be the second player against them? I think so. There will be Chia So. But there are another pairs too. I want to discuss about another pairs who can, I will say that, do upsets. First of all, Leong Wong. You cannot ignore Chinese pairs in men's doubles or any doubles gameplay. Leong Wong, they are performers. They are gold medalists, multiple time winners. They can be in finals if they defeat Chia So, but right now Chia So are unstoppable too. They have the top rated defense that I will say that not any other pair is having. So I will say that maybe there will be a competition between Leong Wong and Chia So. Another pair that can be a big threat, I will say that, to Kim Seo. Of course, we cannot ignore Esteban Rasmussen. They are performers too. But what I think is that gold medal, there are huge chances that Kim Seo will get that gold medal. But who can be a silver medalist? I think so, Chia So, or I will say that Chinese pair Leong Wong. I don't see any other pair. I just want, I also want Sachi to do a big comeback. Sachi are loved all over the world, but I just want their comeback in, I will say that, World Championships. And I really hope Sachi to defeat Chia So in World Championships first. Let's talk about men's singles, gold medalist, or I will say that silver medalist. I just want a top rated match between Shiyuchi versus Sen Lakshya. There are huge chances that Sen Lakshya can do upset, but there are huge chances of, I will say that 60-40% chances are there that Shiyuchi will win easily in straight 2 sets against Sen Lakshya. Track record of Sen Lakshya in this particular year is not good. It is not favoring him, but he has the capability. He can defeat Shiyuchi. But what I think is that gold medal is confirmed, and that can be with Shiyuchi. But who will be a silver medalist? And I have multiple players who can win that silver medal. First of all, Anders Antonsen. 100% is second seeded player, and he has the capability to win any big tournament. Even he has the capability to win against Shiyuchi too if they both collide in finals. But we cannot ignore that player, and that player is Kunlaut Wittelsson, 2023 gold medalist World Championships. We cannot ignore this player. If in semi-finals, if they are playing against each other, Anders Antonsen and Kunlaut Wittelsson, I will just bet on Kunlaut Wittelsson. I will not bet for Anders Antonsen because there is simple reason. Kunlaut Wittelsson is a big tournament player, but from last 1 or 2 months his performance is going, I will say that, not good, not bad, not good, not bad. He is performing like this. So if I have to bet for semi-finals against Kunlaut Wittelsson versus Anders Antonsen, I will say that it's 51-49. I will not go for Anders Antonsen. I will not go for Kunlaut Wittelsson. I just want a great match between those two players if they collide in semi-finals. So who is winning silver medal? I'm not going to get into this. Gold medal is confirmed. I'm just thinking that give 2 silver medals to Anders Antonsen, and I will say that Kunlaut Wittelsson too. So finally, let's talk about women's singles, and without a second thought, give gold medal to An Seong. Let's just talk about any other player who is going to win silver medal. There are multiple players who can do this. First of all, Wang Zi has the capability. PV Sindhu will collide against Wang Zi in round of 16. By PV Sindhu has experience. She has everything to win any big tournaments. She has won multiple times. She is a winner. She has everything to win World Championships tournaments and everything. But right now she is not in form. She is not performing at that level that PV Sindhu used to perform. So who can be the another player who will be in the race between silver medal against Wang Zi? I think Tomoka Miyazaki has some chances. If she will be against Wang Zi in semi-finals, there will be chances that if Tomoka Miyazaki goes into finals, we can see a good match. But I will say that mindset of Wang Zi is just different level. She will be improving too. Last time when An Seong defeated her with 10 and 12 scores, she may have improved a lot, I will say that. And I just want a third set. If An Seong collides against Wang Zi in finals, I just want the third set. I just want I will say that fighting match between these two players. So just comment down below, who do you think are winning in every categories? Give your predictions, tell everything that you want to ask or anything, do comment down below. Is Cool Outfitted Son is winning? Is Kim Seo winning? Just comment down below. See you in next video. Bye bye.